Here is multimedia logic. Let's focus on this structure for the moment. This is the palette. I will be using the following tools from within the same: the selector tool, wire tool, the node, the LED, and the switch. I need two switches, like so. I need two AND gates, like so. I need two inverters, like so. And I need two LEDs, like so. Let's connect them all up using this tool, the wire tool. So here we go. Number 1, 2, and 3, like so. The top part is almost done. Well, let's connect the bottom part. 1, 2, and 3, like so. Now I need 6 nodes. 3 right here. Let's connect them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 3 more. Here, here, and here. Let's connect them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our RS latch. And this is the set switch. And this is reset. Typically labeled not S. Like so. This is not R. Let's make this bigger. Oh, that's big. Now you can see the output for not S becomes not R's input. Let's bring the inverter and the AND gate a little bit closer together so they look like an AND gate. And now not R's output becomes the input for not S. Okay, how do I begin deciphering all this? I can see the mechanics of it all, but what purpose does it serve? And how does it logically work? We need one more video for that.